We've got lovely Morgans here.
Your events are the actual genuine cars. If you look at, shall we say, period publications, and you saw,
lovely,
say, a Toyota,
array of Morgans here,
Celica or whatever, yumping off a humpback bridge, there's every chance the car that's still in front of you will be
there we are.
exact same car.
Lovely classic Morgans here.
Yeah, and in fact, better than that.
It's Bowood and the Morris 1000 traveller there. And next door we have a lovely Morris 1000 van there. There we are. Just the trader's favourite there. Chimney sweeps, etc. Morris Minor, of course, the midwife used to have those, especially the two-door. This is the four-door. Got a lovely Triumph Spitfire there. MGB GT Roadster. The Spitfire. They made 3 different models of those over the years. There we are. Morris Traveller, Morris Minor, another Morris Minor, Mini,
they do the events.
They're not Mini Mark II,
they're not timed.
Super Deluxe 1968.
For a bit of fun, and as one of our veterans said the other day,
over that.
Just like
lovely bright yellow Morgan, there, I can't miss that one.
Except I don't have the pressure.
At the classic car motorcycle show here at Bowood, and that lovely
rally. So
1934 Derby Bentley there, or Bentley Derby.
Special stages.
Not sure which way around he's got that there. 3.5 litre drop head coupe there.
In the day. It's run exactly
and further luxury Bentleys and Rolls Royces alongside.
Arrows on every corner. We have start and finish boards. They're usually run by.
Here we are. You can see the backs on here. These lovely vintage Bentleys.
People are enjoying themselves in the way that they drove them in those cars in the day. You know, if people have been good enough to put lots of
a lovely
film on YouTube in the last few
Bentley
days
there.
From Mintex Rally Yorkshire.
Another Bentley there.
So please have a look if you
Lots of
feel
spectators
like
have been coming around them, taking photographs, etc. Very popular here. Rolls Royces here, Silver Shadow there. And the Mark II next door, there we are. And Rolls Royce Silver Shadow.
As they want to drive them. If somebody just wants
next door we have another Bentley.
And have a total round,
lovely Bentley there.
Now,
which one is it? They've all got right upwards. Here, Bowood House and Gardens. Jaguar SK8 here as well. Bowood House just behind us here.